Many manufacturing businesses today are challenged by fierce competitiveness in their market. With IMPACT, we provide a platform that assigns tasks to resources dynamically, which allows the business operator to optimize the operations for efficiency and performance. Fraunhofer Italia has a long experience with research and development projects for customers. Among the activities that we carried out in the past, one field stands out particularly, that is the distributed control of manufacturing operations with multi-agent systems. Thanks to the Fraunhofer PACT program, we were able to cooperate with our colleagues from the Fraunhofer IPK, who, like us, possess extensive expertise with multi-agent systems.
In IMPACT, we are developing a software solution for decentralized production control that represents a production environment as a network of autonomous agents. And using different technologies such as artificial intelligence, these agents are capable of solving complex decision-making problems. And for this, we are integrating simulation-based optimization methods into the architecture of these agents that allow them to balance multiple objectives and represent different business priorities. What makes our project truly unique is that our agents use cloud computing techniques. And using the cloud, we are able to deploy advanced optimization algorithms and scale the multi-agent system very flexibly.
Apart from the scientific novelty, the project did benefit from the fruitful exchange that we had in the integrated project team, especially regarding the perspective that we have on the same problem and as well on the methods that we apply in the design of multi-agent systems.
We have studied two use cases. In Berlin, for example, we manufacture fuel cell systems, whereas at Fraunhofer Italia, these components are then used to assemble drone vehicles. And of course, at both production sites, various disruptions can occur at arbitrary points in time. And this requires immediate adjustments to the production plan. And with our demonstrators, we show how these challenges can be solved by a distributed network of autonomous agents. And in our scenario, each agent collects concurrently information about the current state of the processes as well as the machine states. And at the same time, the agents are interconnected over the cloud, which allows them to continuously update each other by exchanging messages.
Thanks to the IMPACT project, the consortium was able to implement an AI-based, self-organizing and self-optimizing control infrastructure for production environments. The platform can be rescoped with ease to other sectors and to the individual needs and performance metrics of interested customers.